I'm old, I'm puzzled, and I'm only able to change one of those. Today's puzzle is a 270-piece wooden jigsaw puzzle from Iconic Puzzles, and the image is the crest of Wrexham AFC. I saw an ad on Facebook for this puzzle, and I thought it would be fun to do this puzzle because I was hoping to celebrate what I hoped would be Wrexham's promotion to the Champions League in the EFL. I ordered it a couple of days before their second last match of the season, but I didn't realize it was being shipped from China, and it didn't arrive in time for the last match of the season. The puzzle itself is nice quality, and it has a number of whimsy pieces in it. Today marks 1 month since the match that Wrexham cinched promotion, when they beat Carlton Athletic 3-0. So let's do this. Oh yeah, and up the town! So thanks for watching the video. Also in the comments is a link to my Buy Me a Coffee page if you'd like to support this channel. And subscribe to this channel to see what other nonsense I can get up to. because, you know, I'm old, I'm bored, and I'm only able to change one of those.